Hello grade 5. Today we will start solving the revision sheet. Today is the second video in solving the revision sheets. If you remember, in the previous video we stopped until question 20. So in this video we will start from question 21. So let's start. Question 21. All along the land that borders ocean and large lakes, there are jetties. Do you remember the jetty, or a long structure made of either wood and metal, or concrete and metals? What is the main purpose for jetty? If you remember, we said that people, to stop the erosion of the waves, they build jetties, or they build like a wall in the water to stop or slow down the waves and currents. So the main reason, or the main purpose for building the jetty, to stop erosion from of the beach sand, because as we said, the waves bring sand and they leave the sand on the shore, and the water go back to the ocean, and this is by the time make the beach smaller and shallow. Next question 22. Use a figure here to solve the three questions 1 and 2 and 3. Let's see the first question using this figure. Question 1. Imagine you are sitting on the beach at the edge of the ocean. Gaze out toward the edge of the picture, the ocean floor. Use a figure to help you with your vision. What letters mark the continental slope? We need to know which part here represents the continental slope. How do I know which part is a continental slope? I will look for the part that suddenly steeply or suddenly slopes or drops down suddenly, and this will be which part? Yes, will be letter B. So in this part the continental slope is letter B. How do we know? Because this part drops suddenly or steeply slope. And next question, which letter marks the basal plane in the figure? In this question we need to know which part is a basal plane. So let's see in the figure again. As we know that the basal plane is the flat part at the bottom of the ocean, so it will be this part. This part is letter B. Next question, look down at the place where you are standing, the edge of which feature meets the beach. Which part from the ocean floor meets the beach here? This is the beach, and this is the part that meets or touches the beach. So this part is a called continental shelf. So this will be a continental shelf. Next question 23. Which feature of the ocean floor covers most of the ocean floor? Most of the ocean floor is called, yes, basal plane, letter A. Question 24. The Hawaiian Islands were all made from volcanoes. How does a volcano on the ocean floor deep below the water surface become an island? How volcano make an island? As one plate slides under the other, the volcano gets broken off, or because hot objects are less dense than cold objects, the volcanoes eventually float on the top of the surface, or volcanoes they go up, or lava builds up the volcanic mountain. Each time a volcano erupts and the volcano grows tall enough to stick up to the water. Yes, this would be the correct answer, because every time the volcano erupts, it releases lava, and lava cools and make a layer on the top of the water, and this is the formation of the volcanic island. Question 25. If you have ever swum in the ocean, you know that ocean water is very different from water in lakes and ponds. How the ocean water is different from lakes and ponds? Scientists call the water in lakes and ponds fresh water. Ocean water has salinity, and we said salinity means it has a high salt content, a lot of salt. Ocean water is less dense, it contains microorganisms, or the level of oxygen is lower. What means the salinity? Yes, salinity means that it has high amount of salt. Letter A. Question 26. A newspaper article stated that scientists have been able to study the deepest part of the ocean. The area is more than 11,000 meters deep. What is this ocean feature called? Which part of the ocean floor can be 11,000 meters deep? And this means that this part is very deep. If this is an atoll, trench, continental rise, or mid-ocean ridge. As we said, the atoll is a ring of corals around the island. Trench, yes, trench is the deepest part in the ocean floor, and this trench is called the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean, and this is actually the deepest part in the whole oceans found in the Pacific Ocean and called Mariana Trench. Next question 27. The steeply sloping part of the ocean floor, where the ocean rapidly or fastly or drops suddenly gets deeper, is the steeply sloping part of the ocean that looks like the slide is called continental slope, and this is the part that drops suddenly. Question 28. The regular rise and fall of the ocean level or the ocean surface caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. This action that caused by the pull of the moon and the sun is called tide. 29. The part of the ocean floor that gradually slopes. The part that slowly slopes or gradually slopes, we call this part of the ocean is continental shelf. So the answer, letter D. Next question, true or false? Question 1. As you go deeper in the ocean, the temperature decreases. It means as you go down in the ocean, it gets colder. Yes, true. Next question. The oceanic trench is a high mountain in the ocean. Oceanic trench is a high mountain. No, false. Oceanic trench is a deep part of the ocean floor. So the answer is false. Question 3. The rip current is the most dangerous current. Yes, the rip current, as we said before, that this kind of currents is very dangerous because it takes people inside, and the water in this current moves very fast that it can take anything in its way. So the answer for this question, true. Question 4. The water pressure decreases as depth increases. It means as you go deeper in the ocean, the water pressure becomes low or decreases. No, of course no, because as we go deeper in the ocean or as the depth increases, the pressure increases. So the answer will be false, and instead of decreases, it should be increases. Question 5. The atoll is a ring of coral reef that encircles an island. Yes, the atoll is a ring of coral around the island. So true. Question number 6. Volcanoes underwater can form islands on the top of the water. The answer is true, because as we said, volcanoes release lava and lava goes out and cools down and form islands. So the answer is true. Question 7. The largest ocean in all ocean is the Indian Ocean. The biggest one or the largest ocean is the Indian Ocean. No, the answer is no, because the biggest one is the Pacific Ocean. So the answer is false. Question 8. The Earth has 6 oceans. Do you remember how many oceans on Earth's surface? We don't have 6, we have only 5 oceans, so the answer is false. Question 9. Salty water is more than fresh water on Earth's surface. Yes, the salty water is about 97% of the water on Earth, while fresh water is only 3%. So yes, the answer is true. Question 10. The basal plain takes most of the ocean floor. The basal plain takes most of the ocean floor. Yes, the answer is yes, because the basal plain is the biggest part of the ocean floor, so the answer will be true. So this was the last question in the revision sheet. Please study well and good luck. Bye bye.